In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Pinterest. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest. In the search bar, type the word Pinterest and press enter. On the results page, look for the official Pinterest site, which usually shows the familiar red and white Pinterest logo. Taking a moment to confirm the logo saves you from landing on a copycat or help article instead of the actual site. When you see the correct Pinterest result, you are ready for the next step. Now click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. The sign in button usually sits near the top right of the page. Click it, then enter your email and password, or use your usual sign-in method. Once you have signed in successfully, the main Pinterest home feed will appear, filled with a mix of pins, a search bar at the top, and your profile picture in the corner. If you see that profile picture, it means you are signed in and good to continue. Next up, click your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your personal profile page. The screen will change to show your name, your photo or logo, and a grid of any boards or pins you already have. This is where all the pins you create will live, so viewing this page helps you keep track of what you are adding today. From there, click Create in the top left corner, then select Create Pin. A small menu opens under the Create button, and Create Pin will be one of the choices. After you click it, a new pin editor window appears. You will see an area to add an image on the left, and fields for your title, description, and a link on the right. This editor is where you will build the product pin step by step. At this point, upload your lifestyle image, then fill out the title and description. Click the image upload area and choose a photo that shows your product in use, not just on a plain background. Once it uploads, it will appear large in the preview area. In the title box, type a clear name for the product, so viewers instantly know what it is. In the description box, add a short explanation of what the product does, who it is for, and any key details like size or material. A practical description helps people decide quickly if they want to click through. After that, click the Tag Products option located directly to the right or below your image. The exact position can change slightly with layout updates, but it always appears close to the image preview. When you click Tag Products, Pinterest opens a small prompt that lets you connect the image to a product source. Tagging here is what turns a regular pin into a shoppable pin. With that ready, select Use a link from the prompt. Paste the exact URL of the product page from your retail site or affiliate partner. Make sure it goes straight to the product itself, not a category page, so shoppers land exactly where they expect. Once pasted, Pinterest will scan the page and pull in product details behind the scenes. Finally, click the matching product image fetched by Pinterest, then click Publish. When you choose the correct image, Pinterest links that product to the visual tag on your pin. Clicking Publish saves the pin to your chosen board, and it will now appear on your profile with a product tag that viewers can tap. You have just created a Pinterest pin with a tagged product link that leads people straight to your product page, so please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more practical Pinterest tutorials like this.